This dance is called shy waltz. 24 count, 4 waltz. And there's a tag at end of wall 4. Let me show you section 1. Section 1 starts with the left foot. Do a basic waltz. Forward, step, step, back, step, step. I repeat section 1. Forward, step, step, back, step, step. So section 1 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Section 2, do a quarter to your left. A quarter, side, recover. And do a weave. In front, side, behind. Section 2, again. Quarter, side, recover, weave, in front, side, behind. Section 2 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Section 3. Step to the side, point to the left and hold 1 count. Do a quarter, quarter, transfer weight. So section 3 again. Step to the side, point, hold 1 count. Quarter, quarter, transfer weight. Section 3 with a count. 1, 2, 3, hold. 4, 5, 6. Last section, do a left twinkle and a right twinkle. Left twinkle using your left foot. Cross, side, side. Right twinkle, cross, side, side. I repeat the last section. Left twinkle, cross, side, side. Right twinkle, right, side, side. So last section with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you start the dance all over again from the top. Let me go through with you the whole dance. 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this dance, there is a tap at the end of wall 4. You will be facing 12 o'clock. So at the end of wall 4, you'll be facing here. You do the last 6 count. That means section 4. Do another left twinkle, right twinkle. And you start the dance again from wall 5. Forward, basic, back, basic. Quarter, side, recover. Cross, side, behind. Step, point, quarter, quarter, transfer weight. Twinkle to your left, twinkle using right.